you would think that.
Yeah, you would think so. Okay, we are blue moon crazy today. We got a picture of the blue moon over San Antonio last night, taken by our overnight photographer. This was the view from downtown. I'm going to say, I mean, I'm not a photographer, but I'm going to say that he did a great job. Look at all those craters and everything. What a beautiful shot. And, something about the full moon, it is just awesome. Okay, let's talk about this full moon here. You won't be able to see another full blue moon, super moon until 2037, believe it or not. Yeah, a long time from now. Also, of course, they call it the blue moon because it's the second full moon in a month. It doesn't happen that often. Also, closer to the Earth, so it'll be 14% brighter. You still have a chance to take a look at it. It's getting close to the horizon, but it is out there this morning. Matter of fact, here's what it looks like right now. This is a live shot. There's our super blue moon there looking off towards the west. All right, 102, that's what I'm going to go for a high today. The record is 103. We probably will not reach that. And we've picked up about almost 14 inches for the year, which is, by the way, way behind. We need to catch up. 78 at the airport, Stinson Airfield 76. And it feels a little nice out there, even though it's in the upper 70s because of the dew point. Dew point's in the 50s, so definitely drier. A lot of times this time of the year, dew points are in the upper 60s to lower 70s. Lots of sunshine today. You're going to need to know where that sunscreen is. I'm expecting that high of 102. And by the way, if you're thinking about eating lunch outside, find the shade. It's going to be about 94 at noon, I think. So a hot day for us. Air quality health alert. If you're sensitive to the air quality, limit your time outdoors. There will be a buildup of ozone this afternoon. Showers and thunderstorms yesterday. If you're watching from the extreme western portions of Bexar County, you got clipped by a few showers. Also, some of the counties to the south and east and also out to the west picked up a shower, but I don't think we'll have a chance for that today. Temperatures this morning in the hill country in the 60s. Bernie's at 68, Kerrville's at 68, Fredericksburg 68. Our high yesterday was 101. Place to be across the country was up around Buffalo, New York. Chicago, 71 degrees for a high temperature. All right, we've got an upper level low here, high here. We're in between the two. Yesterday, we had a pretty vigorous disturbance that gave us those showers, but I don't see the same thing for today. I think high pressure is going to get the upper hand. As we head into Labor Day weekend, this upper level low is going to be close, but I just don't think it's going to have the lift effect on us that if it was a little further to the west, maybe, but I think the net result is going to be a dry Labor Day weekend, and it's going to be a hot Labor Day weekend. All right, here's Tropical Storm Idalia, 60-mile-per-hour tropical storm. This is Wilmington, North Carolina right there. Cape Fear is about there, and it's just off the coast and moving to the east-northeast at 21. Still raining pretty heavy across North Carolina. And Franklin is moving out to sea. There are some other things out there in the Atlantic, but nothing that's going to affect us anytime soon. So the high today, 102 with sunny skies. Aquifer went up just a hair, 629. We're still doing poorly. Mold is 880 and moderate. Elm is 10 and light. 94 at noon. It's going to be hot out there. Tomorrow, 101, Saturday, 102, and throughout the Labor Day weekend, 100, Sunday, Monday, Tuesday. And I'm going to take it to 99, Jessica, plus 10% chance. I'm going to throw that in
You
now.
just keep one-upping yourself.
Right, I know.
Every single time. Go, Paul.
Yes.